We are going to save your Gmail emails as a PDF file in less than 2 minutes. Let's start by opening up your browser and heading over to your Gmail inbox. Click on the specific email you want to convert. Once the message is open on your screen, you will look at the top right corner of the email container itself, not the main browser menu. You will see a small icon that looks like a printer. Click that Print All icon. A new window pops up immediately, showing a preview of your email along with your print settings on the right side. Now, look for the drop-down menu labeled Destination. By default, this is usually set to your physical home or office printer. Click on that drop-down menu and select the option that says Save as PDF. The important thing is to check your layout and page settings right below that option. If you change the layout from portrait to landscape, your email might look distorted, so it is usually best to keep it on portrait. You can also expand the More Settings tab if you want to remove the headers and footers, which strips out the date and the URL from the top and bottom of your final document. Here is the trade-off you need to keep in mind. Saving an email as a PDF creates a static snapshot of that exact moment. If the person replies to that email chain later, those new messages will not automatically appear in your saved file. You lose the dynamic updates of the live conversation. If everything looks correct in your preview window, scroll down to the bottom right corner of the Print Settings pane and click the blue Save button. A File Explorer window will open up on your computer screen. Choose your destination folder, like your Documents or Desktop. Type in a clear name for your file and click Save. You can now close out of that extra browser tab and return to your main inbox. Your email is completely safe and stored locally on your hard drive. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.